Hello everyone, I hope you're very well. So today I'm actually leaving the tiny house I stayed for the past month, and for all those weeks I was thinking that I should film videos in here because it's just really pretty, but I haven't really been feeling like it. And but I thought since I'm leaving today I would like to have a memory of this place and also show you, because this place is an Airbnb, so if you ever were, you know, wanting to have a little break in the Yorkshire Dales, then this is a perfect location, and the tiny house is just lovely. So I thought I would show you around. So right now I'm in the kitchen. The kitchen and the bed area is in a different building, but I'll show you that in a second. So this is the kitchen, which honestly it's been so nice to have a kitchen, a full kitchen to like cook and stuff. I mean, actually I could have done a lot more cooking. I haven't been cooking that much, but you know, it's been 3 years since I had like a space of my own where I could just do whatever I want whenever I wanted, and it's been so nice, especially when you're like having, you know, not the best days. So yeah, this is the kitchen, and honestly it's the best kitchen I've ever been in an Airbnb, and believe me, I've been like in a few, because it has everything you would ever want in a kitchen. If you like baking, if you like, I don't know, it has everything that you would, like any chef needs. Like even look, all those spices, like, I don't know, there's a lot of little touches that usually on Airbnb it's more like the basics, just like the dishes and cups and I don't know, cutlery, but here there's just everything. So that was really nice. And it has so this side there's the bathroom, and it has a little shower, and when you shower you can see the trees outside, which is just so lovely. And again, having a shower available to you whenever you want, whenever you feel like it, it's pretty nice, I must say. But yeah, so don't know if I'm showing you enough. It's very rainy today, kind of, so might not be the best light, but okay, I'm gonna show you outside the beautiful garden. Woo! So this is probably the best thing about this place, or one of the best things about this place. I'll show you. So yeah, as I was saying, the kitchen is, and the bathroom is in this little building, and then on the side, ta-da, it's a little tiny house, which I love. It looks like a sauna from the outside, from all the wood. So let's go and show you. And there you are. Let's see if I can put some light on. So that's the little tiny house, and I don't know, it must be like 10 meters I think in length, and maybe 3 in width. And yeah, it just has a beautiful bed and a couch and TV and a little table. And yeah, the thing that I like the most is obviously this view. But yeah, so yeah, this is the place I've been spending most of my time for the last few weeks, and honestly I can't be more grateful to Dawn and Phil for letting me stay here, because it's been rough, and not rough, but you know, sad, and having my own little cocoon and, you know, having all the comforts has really helped. And Dawn and Phil, which are the owners of this place, they just live nearby, just next to here. They are just adorable, they are lovely people, and they have 2 dogs, which it's been nice to have around. I mean, I haven't actually seen that much, but any day I would feel a bit low, I could, you know, ask if one of the dogs, if we could go walking, or if they could come over and get cuddles. So that was really nice. And sorry, I'm very orange. What did I want to say? There was a few things. Thank you for your messages and comments. It's really appreciated. I know a lot of you cared a lot, and that's very sweet. I'm not gonna reply to any of them, so please don't get offended, but it's just hard to be constantly reminded of your loss and stuff when you're trying to kind of, you know, live and be happy. Thank you as well for everybody that donated to the Blue Cross. We raised more than £5,000, which is just huge. It's massive. So I don't know what to say, just thank you, and know that, I mean, that money is going directly to dogs and cats and pets that, you know, need it. So that's very, very nice way to turn like a bad situation into something good. And I got all these ashes, and I'm gonna go for a hike, I think, and scatter them. But I've got this very, very precious little necklace. It's like a, I don't know if you can see, like a little vial, and there's a little bit of humans in here, and it's I know it's kind of pathetic and maybe a little bit cheesy, and I never thought I would be one of this person like carrying around ashes. I thought it would be kind of silly, because I'm not particularly, I don't know, he's dead. I know he's dead, he's not here anymore, but it does bring me a little bit of comfort to have a little bit of his crushed bones with me, which is very weird, isn't it, if you think about it. But yeah, I've been wearing this religiously, and it did give me a little bit of comfort. That's that. And no, I'm not planning to get any dog anytime soon. I know that it does help for some people. This is what I did with Odie, actually, because I had lost my previous dog, and then I had gone to the kennel to kind of walk the dogs, and I didn't want to get a dog, but then I still had Odie and I fell in love, and etc, etc. So I know it would be a distraction and, you know, something happy, but there's a lot of things that I want to do that I couldn't do with a dog, that I haven't been able to do with a dog, like, you know, traveling maybe by plane or traveling by bike. I would love to do that, or you know, just doing things where it's easier to do them if you're alone. So I'm gonna try and like get all of the things done, and then of course in a few years, maybe or next year, I don't know when, but I would love to have, you know, 15 dogs if I could. So yeah, for now it's not gonna happen. And in regards to Pam, I'm not sure what's gonna happen, because Pam, the whole thing about Pam was to travel with Odie, because when I left, if he wasn't with me, I wouldn't have chosen a van as a method of traveling. So now that he's not here anymore, I don't really see the point of traveling with the van. I might go for one last journey, maybe to Ireland with the van, and then probably sell it, but we'll see what happens. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Is there anything else I wanted to tell you? No, I think I rambled enough. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the tiny house. I'll leave the Airbnb listing on the description if you want to have a look. And there's so much to do around here. It's a shame that I kind of haven't really felt like doing anything, and I haven't been exploring that much. I've been for a few walks, but not enough, I feel, because it's just the Yorkshire Dales are beautiful, and there's a lot of little villages around here. If you like cycling, there's all this cycling path, and you know, for hiking and all of that. So it's really, really nice area, and I would love to come back. But yeah, I hope you're doing well, and I shall see you very soon. Bye bye.